Hello, my name is Andrew Tuma, and I'm a third-year electrical and biomedical engineering student at Wayne State University. And today, I'd like to speak to you on Mike Wall's recent article, Alien Megastructure Star Not Alone, More Mysteriously Dimming Objects Found. For those not aware, a star that was theorized to have a large alien megastructure orbiting it was found in 2015, and this article informs of recent findings in the matter. For today's presentation, I'd like to divide it into three distinct sections. The first being the history of Boyajian star, that being the star that was mentioned in the title earlier. The second section being recent studies into different stars that may be experiencing similar situation to that of Boyajian star. And the third being the Dyson sphere, which is the alien megastructure that is theorized to be orbiting these stars. History of Boyajian star. So Boyajian star is an F-type star slightly larger than Earth's sun, named after Tabitha Boyajian, the researcher who discovered it. In 2015, researchers at Yale University observed significant dimming of Boyajian star using NASA's Kepler Space Telescope over short periods of time. This dimming was observed on the magnitude of around 22% of the star's natural light output, which was deemed highly significant, and it also led to the conclusion that this wasn't being caused by any interference of planetary objects or dust clouds. And so what was also irregular about this dimming was that it was happening over short periods of time. And this ended up sparking research into past instances of this happening with this specific star, Boyajian star, which ended up finding that it was indeed experiencing these episodes of dimming over the past. In recent years, an astrophysicist at the University of Nebraska-Lincoln by the name of Edward Schmidt had recently begun research into finding other cases of similar stars that are experiencing what Boyajian star was experiencing. And so in 1999, he spent a year gathering information on many different stars from multiple science journals and has created a list and narrowed it down to 21 possible stars that may be experiencing similar situations to Boyajian star. This was done by excluding many stars that would be experiencing dimming for reasons that we were able to explain. But as Boyajian star's case seems to be inexplainable at this point, we were able to narrow it down to a list of 21 possible stars. Of the 21, 15 stars had dimming rates that were similar to Boyajian star, while 6 had much more variable dimming rates. What this means is that of the 21, 15 had slow dimming rates, where the dimming of the star, the rate at which it would lose brightness, was relatively slow compared to the 6 that had much higher and much more variable dimming rates. Onto the Dyson sphere. When this dimming was observed by researchers, some believe that this dimming may be that the dimming that was being experienced by Boyajian star may be caused by a Dyson sphere. A Dyson sphere is a large megastructure orbiting a star that generally serves the purpose of collecting the star's emitted energy. So the Dyson sphere would serve as a large solar panel that was dedicated to collecting the star's energy and transferring it back to its source, whatever it's powering. And so it has similar functions to what solar panels are, but there are many misconceptions of Dyson spheres. One main one is that it's a large kind of structure that encapsulates a star, but realistically, it would be more along the lines of many small solar panels that would be orbiting the star in a swarm-like fashion to be able to collect any of the emitted light and convert it to energy like our solar panels do today. In conclusion, we learned about a strange dimming that was being observed from Boyajian star in 2015 by researchers at Yale University. And we learned that, by Edward Schmidt, we learned that there are multiple stars that are experiencing very similar dimming and are in similar situations to that of Boyajian star. And we also learned about the Dyson sphere, which is the theorized cause of this dimming, which is a large solar panel-like structure that is being used to harness the star's natural energy. And this is my reference.